It's not done yet, but I put the lid on and the LEDs are hooked up. The switches are not, but that's basically I need to do the switches and the capacitive touch thing here. But I don't know how I'm going to get the wires there. I'm very tempted to just go back and print a new case that's wider with a channel along the sides just so I can fit, just so I have somewhere to run these damn wires because it is so tight inside there, it's ridiculous. But I put the little Fast LED Pride example on there. And as you can see, it's kind of ridiculously bright. I'll probably have to turn that down. My phone is making it look brighter than it is too, though. Maybe if I move it back a bit. But the glow through the side works, though there's a shadow between the keys. It's mildly annoying. But it does look really nice with that glow. I wonder what it would look like if I just made the whole thing PETG. Yeah. One thing I wanted to try was, a long time ago I printed this keycap, which has, which has transparent filament. So this is my keycap library, keycap playground. And let me turn the light on. See that? It's got transparent PETG on the inside. And then it prints all the way through to the top here. So when the light shines through, you can see the legend. In fact, let's try that. Let's see what it looks like. It would go like that. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Let's turn the light off. Yeah, not bad. So you can imagine if it just stayed on, it would be much more visible. And the reason why this part right here is dark is because the stem is right under there, and I actually made an improvement to improve things like that. Like right now it's just flat and against this, but there's a better way to do it. Just change the little parameters and you wouldn't get this little shadow on the interior. But yeah, it looks nice. So it does work with see-through keycaps. I've got some pudding keycaps around here too. Wonder what happened to those. Oh well. I'll do a demo with those eventually. And I'm also really curious how like colored keycaps will show up. You know, this one's red. Let's see how that looks. We'll pretend. It doesn't look so bad actually. It's actually really red. When it goes like whitish, it just glows ridiculously red. Wow. Holy crap. That's red. That's actually kind of awesome. I might make a keyboard like that. That's kind of epically red. This is a red PETG keycap. And I've got some blue ones here. What do they look like? I've only got a part of a blue one. Ah, here we go. I don't know if this is going to be see-through. It's really thick. Yeah, it's too thick. Needed to get the blue, though. Yeah, blue isn't as cool. Well, it does give you a weird incentive to make see-through, thinner keycaps so you can see transparency through it. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good for a macro pad. And I just got to cram the wires in there somehow, and it should be done tomorrow. Looking forward to trying it out. I'll give you a few more seconds of this awesomeness. Oh, and these stringies, you see those? Those will go away eventually. Just from using it. Oh, and that's what it sounds like. I should probably demonstrate what it sounds like. And that's without any dampeners. I never sanded the stems, I just threw them in there. They could use some sanding. Just get that first layer squish off. They're not as responsive coming back up as they could be. And then there's a little bit of lube I can add. But overall, I think it's pretty sweet looking. My switch design with the light shining through all the way through the bottom from the center, I think worked out pretty well. And that is shining through the center. Most keycaps, most switches have the lights just on the top here. But mine is at dead center in the middle, and I think that was a good idea think it worked out. You can't even see the magnet. Like I thought there would be a strong shadow with the magnet, but you can't even see it. Very nice.